Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Wayne. Got for you today from Sandshark, the air horn. These are for boating emergencies, but my wife got some physical limitations, let's say, and she can't always get around the way she used to. Some bad COPD, and sometimes she needs me when I'm not in the room. Okay, so we're going to give this thing a pop here. So it'll be loud. Now, my ears are ringing. She knows that if she pushes this button, I'm going to come get her. She doesn't take advantage of it either. But in our situation, I got 4 of these, have them in different rooms. And we actually haven't needed it yet. But she may need it someday, and it could be a lifesaver. So that's what we use them for. Great for any kind of outdoor activity, whether it be boating or hiking, whatever you may be into. If you need help, this will get you help. And we like having them around. And you should get yourself a few of them, and have one in the car, have one in your backpack, whatever you may need. And it'll do the trick for you. So anyway, it's the air horn from Sandshark. They make good stuff, and you're going to like yours. Thanks. Bye now.